Hello guys, so I know this is a not start of the video, but today in this video, as you've seen from the title, it's a vlog to Greece. It's going to be full of surprises, as you can see. First of all, we have the pack with me from my home, obviously. And alright guys, so let's unpack for our vacation. First of all, I need to figure out what am I going to be wearing for the traveling for the way there. So I think that I'm probably going to be wearing this shirt, bottoms, yeah, these ones, just white basic ones. I probably need to be comfy. And there I was, packing my entire wardrobe for another trip once again. It always feels like preparing for a battle. Not an actual battle, but more like an emotional roller coaster where I question every life decision, starting with how many pairs of underwear I really need for a 7-day trip. 10, 15, better to money than not enough, right? So there I was, standing in front of an open suitcase, surrounded by clothes I hadn't seen in months, suddenly convinced that now it's their time to shine. Alright guys, now we have some ironing to do, so let's go. Next up, ironing, because while I can live in mild chaos, I draw the line at wrinkled clothes. Of course, halfway through, I question whether I'm ironing or just slow cooking my shirt. I ironed this t-shirt and also that one, the white one. And now, possibly the most important preparation of all, the snacks, because a trip without food is just a long, uncomfortable hunger marathon. I was focused like a surgeon. 4 sandwiches in total, 2 for me, 2 for my sister. Equal rights, equal bites. I started with the holy grails, then the cheese, spread it like I was painting Mona Lisa. After that, the steak. Oh yeah, the steak was juicy, tender, and absolutely glorious. At one point, I started even taste testing, you know, just for quality control. 1 bite for me, 1 for the sandwich, and that's balance. Then came the cucumber, which was sliced in precision of a ninja. By sandwich number 3, I was already sweating like I was in a cooking competition. And just as I was about to wrap them in a chaotic mess and hope, my mom enters. No questions asked, just flawless wrapping skills I can only aspire to one day. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but one thing's for sure, we won't be hungry. We got the room, guys. Say anything you want. Oh my gosh, is it?
I love the color, guys.
Check it out. We have a balcony. Do we have
Yes. Oh my gosh, we have
a kitchen? A small kitchen. Guys,
okay, guys,
here it is, the 360 view of the room.
room tour, guys.
Alright guys, so what do we have here? We have something like for the showers. We have a toilet seat, this obvious sink, and behind we have the for the shower. We have like something going on here. Very beautiful view. Further there in the distance you can see the sea.
A little bit, yeah, but I love the balcony.
We also have like 2 seats here.
We can eat here.
Of course. Yeah, very good, amazing. Like it's very small but very comfy and cozy.
Yes, I like it. I very much like it.
Me too. Alright, so now she's unpacking the food. First of all, we have a mini fridge. I don't know if it's working. Yeah, it's working.
Okay. Yes.
So we have like some things that we need to store in the freezer, as you can see.
We have cheese, rice, and stuff like that.
Yeah. Because we need something to eat. This video is going to be like packing with me for a holiday and then unpacking in the room. We can put the bread. As I've told you, like we have all of the utilities necessary, like all of the essentials, like even pants. Like, guys, is this even a hotel or an apartment? I feel like I'm like sitting in an Airbnb.
Mini apartment.
Yeah, it's like a mini apartment. It's very nice. It's very cozy, especially the outside. Yeah, and then we're going to put the other things in the cupboards. We have a small cupboard here. It's not so small, but like probably up there somehow.
Or here.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Alright, we're going to talk. Yeah, we can talk to you back. We're going to get back to you when we finish organizing. We forgot to film the organizement, but never mind.
I will show you later.
Yeah. We're now going, we're heading to the beach, and let's go get away. Alright guys, so we're currently in our apartment, and here's how I'm going to try to learn some Greek while I'm here, just to use this opportunity to learn the language. I know I can't learn the language, but just do like some basic conversation, or maybe like even basic greetings. So I just wrote to ChatGPT, can you give me a short dialogue from a supermarket or shop in Greek? A1, I don't know the alphabet because they use like kind of a different alphabet. I previously wrote to him to give me useful phrases and words in Greek for a holiday or for a vacation. As you can see, Yasu or Yasas, Kalimera, Kalispera, Kalinita, Adio, Evharisto, Parakalo, Signomi. So these are all of the most useful ones which I'm going to be needing. And then also some of these which are kind of additional. I don't think that I'll be able to remember these right away, but once again, this is going to also be very useful. Posso Costisi, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to attempt it later to remember this. Obviously, you can't learn the language in like 5 minutes or so. It's very difficult, even if the language is similar to your language, depends on which is your native language. Greek, for the majority of the people, is going to be kind of difficult because first of all, you need to learn the alphabet. Then you need to obviously get familiar with the vocab, which is quite difficult from the rest of the languages, and then you need to learn the grammar, the proper sentence structure. By the way, look at what she's doing to me. By the way, guys, she's applying filters to me, like, why?
No, look at this, guys. Look at this one.
I was actually quite curious about why do Greeks call themselves Hellada or something like this, and I've got to know that basically when the Byzantines were coming to Greece, they first met the group of people which were living here in Greece, in Western Greece, and those were called like Grichis, and based on those the entire nation was called Greece, even though not all of them are from these people. Not all of them are from the same type of people, if you get what I mean. The plan was simple, go for a nice walk, and then we said, let's just grab a few things from the store. Spoiler alert, we ended up in a supermarket that looked like the maze, designed by someone who really didn't want us to understand anything. We walked in like we knew what we were doing. We didn't. We made it to the fruit section and suddenly nothing looked familiar. Are those peaches, apples, a genetically modified lemon perhaps? Everything looked juicy but also slightly suspicious. Then came the main mission. Feta cheese or yogurt? Easy, right? Wrong. We stood there for 10 solid minutes, just staring at the fridge section. Every label looked like a Greek poem. We tried using Google Translate, but even that gave up on us. One container looked like feta, but also like sour cream. Another one screamed yogurt, but then could have easily been soap. Anyways, if you see a sitting salad with vanilla yogurt tomorrow, mind your business. So guys, if somebody's wondering if Greece is expensive or not, we bought this entire watermelon, 2 tomatoes, 3 cucumbers for 550 euros. Let me just see here. So the watermelon was 2 euros and 71 cents. 159 is the tomato, and that's probably Huma is 120. That's a cucumber. What are you eating today?
We're going to eat rice cakes, meat, cheese, cucumber, and tomatoes.
Yes, and we put the watermelon in the freezer. Night walks hit different on vacation. You don't know where you're going, but it somehow feels like a movie. You start overthinking life, then underthinking it, then wondering if the ice cream shop is still open. No real destination, just good company. Random conversations and street lights making you feel mysterious. Main character energy activated. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.